Hi, I'm Roman. We are introducing a new feature based on feedback from many sites. Enhanced breakdown status classification. When equipment breaks down, we can already log a primary status, like a flat tire, broken brakes, or hydraulic leaks. This helps calculate availability and utilization in the time usage model. However, we have lacked a way to explain why the breakdown occurred. Was it a general failure or due to operator damage? To solve this, we have enhanced the existing maintenance comments feature that many clients already use. Now any comment field can be configured as either free text or a drop-down with predefined options. For example, you can set up a breakdown reason field with options like operator damage and equipment failure. You can also define a default value, which will be automatically applied when the breakdown is first recorded. Later, after diagnostics, maintenance staff or control room operator with the right permissions can review and update the reason if needed.